guys, yo, this is dead my 100th time filming this intro. I'm gonna get it right. I'm gonna get it right now. Hi everyone, my name is Lauren, and today we are in the kitchen. Today I will be giving you my version of Gordon Ramsay's shrimp scampi recipe. This recipe only needs 4 ingredients, and I will be doing a voiceover while I'm demonstrating everything to you. The ingredients would be shrimp, obviously it's shrimp scampi, spaghetti, you can use any type of noodle, I just like spaghetti, fresh garlic, and a red onion. I will go ahead and link down his video down below, and you guys can check that out after watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also share this video to whoever you want. And yeah, let's just hop right into the video.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna start off by dicing up my garlic. Please do not use the garlic that comes already minced up in a jar. Please physically dice up your own garlic. It will make a huge difference. I use about I don't know if a clove of garlic is that like round thing or if the clove is like the individual ones, but those little like round things of garlic, I use like the whole thing of that, about like 5 to like 8 cloves of garlic. It just depends on how much you're making, but I like a lot of garlic personally. Then I dice up my onion. I personally like to dice them up just because I don't want like big chunks. Now, I'm not a professional, so you know, excuse this improper dicing, but you know, at the end of the day, a dice is a dice and it's gonna get done. So then we move on to the stove where we're gonna add our olive oil. And oh, I forgot, yeah, you're gonna start boiling your pasta. Don't judge me that I broke it. That's just what I like to do so that it can fit in a pan. So then yeah, I add my olive oil and I swirl it around, make sure that it's nice and hot, and then I add my onions. So then I have them in there and I swirl them around just until they get nice and sweated. And then I add my garlic. I would say I sauteed the onions for about like 2 or 3 minutes, and then I added my garlic. Please do not forget to add oil as needed. You can also add a little bit of butter as well. That goes a long way. After sauteing the onions with the garlic, you should smell a nice little aroma. And then I'm gonna add my seasonings, and I'm also gonna add the same seasonings to my shrimp. So a little bit of garlic, some onion powder, some pepper, and also a little bit of red pepper. Like I said before, do not forget to add oil. Like as you're going, you're gonna start to see that it starts to like, you know, get dried out and stuff. Just keep on adding that oil. So then I saute this around. I like to make a little hole in the middle of my peppers and onions to put my shrimp. I just like cooking the shrimp in it. One, because it saves me a pan, but also I just feel like the shrimp just gets a lot better flavor. You don't want to cook the shrimp too long, kind of like 30 seconds, flip, and then like 10 seconds on the other side, because shortly after you're going to add water and make like a little sauce. While you're doing all of this, please be sure to try to have your pan on like medium to low heat. You don't want it to be like too low, but you definitely don't want it to be hot, because then that's how you burn your peppers and onions, and you know, we don't want to burn anything. So after I add my water, I just put a little bit of chicken bouillon. That's the reason why I don't really cook with salt, because this is pretty salty. So after I add that. I stir everything up, and that's pretty much my sauce. And you just wait for it to thicken up. Try not to add so much water because then it'll take longer to thicken up. And then I just like to top it off with a little bit of basil. And yeah, now I'm ready to mix in my pasta. Y'all, please do not judge me for not draining my noodles. It really doesn't matter. It's the same thing, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so after you add your noodles, you're gonna wanna mix everything up. Maybe add a little bit more basil, and then voila, you got you some shrimp scampi.
All right, guys, this is the final little platey plate. Let's do a taste test. It's still hot. Delicious. That wraps up this video, okay? That wraps up this dinner with only 4 ingredients. My version of Gordon Ramsay's shrimp scampi recipe. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Also, share this video to your friends, to people who don't like to cook. Share this video to whoever. People who like to cook, people who don't like to cook, people who have a lot of kids, people who want a quick and easy meal. You know, this recipe is really for everyone unless you're allergic to shrimp, then I'm sorry. Other than that, go ahead and watch my next video, and I will see you next week. Bye.